As a gardener, you'll find that there are some weeds that you like and some weeds that you hate. This is a mustard. I don't hate it, but I don't like it. I should have harvested, I should have removed it a lot earlier. Why I hate it is because right now these seed pods are, can you see the seed being shot? You see them, how they're shooting? Do you see the seeds? Do you see? I hope you can zoom in and you see it as I touch it, how it's shooting the seed. Because the seed pod is under pressure and then you touch it and it shoots the seed to propagate further away from it is. That's why I don't like it. You miss the weeding opportunity, like I missed it by a month. You know, I should have removed it when they were small seedlings. Now I'm gonna have mustard germinating next year. But you add mulch or you add cardboard or you weed it, it's very easy to remove. It's an annual plant. Compared to nutsedge, now that is, I hate it with a passion, because for every seedling that you remove, there's probably 3 or 4 nuts underground waiting to germinate. So if you really want to control nutsedge, you have to dig up 6 inches, sift it, remove every single nut, or spray a sedge hammer, you know, which specific for nuts. It doesn't hurt the grasses. It may kill the broadleaves. So if you don't want to spray herbicide, nutsedge, the only way to control it is to sift the soil and remove it. So, and I do have nutsedge, and it came with the compost. Composting, even if it's done properly, it may not kill every single nut, because, you know, it's a hard shell and it can tolerate the temperature and it can survive the composting process. And from one nut you can have a bed full of seedlings. If you don't catch it in 1 year, you can have it. So some weeds you hate and some weeds you tolerate and some weeds you should never let escape. All right, enjoy.